Hello everyone, I got a lot of comments about how I make my animal animation on my channel, and in this video I will explain some question like why it's needed, how long does process it takes, and what kind of computer specs do you need. So in this video I will explain all of that. As you can see here, I use computer to make it, and the software I use is Blender. You can search on the Google, it's free, don't worry. Then for 3D objects such as animals models, you can search on the site, but sometimes you must have to pay. For one video around 3 to 4 minutes, it takes me about 4 days to make it. And why it's so long? Because actually making animation is difficult. And you need a computer with good specs, and my computer itself is powered by Core i3 and my memory with 4 GB, and no 8 GB, and my VGA with, and my graphic card with 4 GB. On my screen now, I'm working on animation that I will upload later. So I will bring my camera closer to the screen so you can see more clearly. Like you can see here, I'm working with 5 animals, and like you can see here, I'm using Blender. And this is the process of my focus. And like you can see in outliner, this is all object that will have in animation. And this is all the process. We have gorilla, cow, elephant, T-Rex, and neck, and then is a lion. Everything happening here is rendered here, and you can see the timeline. And this is my camera to record all of things. And this is the keyframe. And if I press play, everything should play. Like here, you can see. But first thing, I will hide the water because it takes a lot of my FPS. Here you can here all of my focus. If I play the animation, I got around 12 FPS. Like you can see here, my animal, it's moving. Yeah, everything movement should be here. My rock needs some change, but easy. And yeah, this is how I make animation. See you in next video. Bye bye.